Okay, another half a minute.
ಬರ್ತಾದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
Okay,
Hey.
let us start, my dear friends. Okay, Felista, madam.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
we'll proceed.
Please mute everybody, sir. Please mute.
Okay.
Yeah, we are muting everyone else. Yeah.
Yes. And what I will suggest is keep someone unmuted.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah.
mute everyone, because sometimes I ask questions, at least some.
He has been
Doctor
muted.
is also muted.
Yeah, doctor
Okay.
is also muted. Sorry.
Don't worry. Keep somebody unmuted, at least 10 PS. You choose, Felista. If you're going to keep some, they are unmuted, they can have interactions. That's what I personally feel. At least
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
10
Yes.
people or 20 people at random, unmute them so that they can answer questions. It will be a very real interactive session. After that, I'm going to give a time for discussion, which will spend more time in that. Okay, shall we start, my dear friends?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, hereafter, as Krishnaswamy was correctly mentioning, my sisters and brothers, most I like to call as my friends, most as my dignitarians. In that way, I'm really delighted. Thanks for giving this platform. Once again, my happy new year to everyone, 2021 and years to come. Okay. Now, mainly I'm going to say with the PowerPoint presentation, because it will be better to have an audio visual and more easily we can understand. Another important thing is, I'm not going to say anything new for you today. Please reinforce in your life little more so that you can be healthy, which I'm going to discuss with my PowerPoint presentation. Now I'm going to share with my slides. Okay. Now, Dignity Foundation. Able to see my slides?
No, sir.
Not able to?
No, sir.
No.
I already shared.
Not yet.
See here once again. I will share. Allow me to share my. Okay. You're allowing me?
Yes, sir. Your co-host.
Okay. Now, I am going to share this one. Are you able to see that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Now are you able to see me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your screen is
I am
showing.
really very thankful, Felista, for this excellent platform. That too is virtual. To be very honest, we are all alive today. Despite COVID, we must be grateful to the God or ourselves, how we have been careful about to taking care of our health. Today's topic will be healthy heart for hearty health. You all must be knowing that why I have chosen. For anything, we will always say hearty congratulations. That's why I coined today, health itself must be a hearty one. If you want to keep the hearty health, your heart must be really healthy. That's the reason I coined. My sister and Felista, you all agreed for the topic. I really honored to be sharing my views in this August audience. Now, you all must be knowing I wrote a book on mind to heart. There I put as healthy heart for hearty health. Heart attack, which I'm going to discuss shortly, please remember it can be prevented And if those who had it can be completely cured by positive lifestyle. That's what my aim is. I will ask you some questions. Please keep answering, so they'll be very interesting and interactive. What do you mean by ultimate health, wealth will be in our life?
Health.
Eh?
Having good health.
Good
Having
health.
good health.
Excellent. Excellent. So nothing can be compared with the health, because ultimate wealth is itself health. That's what you call health is wealth. We may have millions or trillions of money. If you are going to lose your health, you will get irritated the moment if you know how much of money you are going to have it. So ultimate thing is health is wealth. Then immediately they used to ask, how will you define health? Can anyone define health? Felista, Krishnaswamy, anyone can answer. How will you
Health.
define health?
Health is a state of moral, physical, spiritual, mental, and financial well-being.
Very good. So first I thought health means a disease-free state, but WHO redefined health as, please remember, positive state of health. Mentally, physically, spiritually, and socially, we call health is really holistic. That's very important. I really am happy that they define nicely.
Thank you.
Who is the best teacher for you in your life? Who will be the best teacher, Rajappa?
Experience.
Yes, many will say mother, many will say teachers. Please remember, the best teacher will be your own life.
body.
Your own life, because our life will continue to teach us, and you must be free mind to learn from your life, and thereby it's a continuous process of teaching and learning. Those who are interested in learning continuously, please remember, they will never get dementia, they will never become Alzheimeric, even after the age of 100 years. Please remember that. Now, what do you mean by one generation? How many years one generation is? Felista?
10 years.
10 years? Yes, please.
20 years.
20 years?
There is no such thing as generation.
Okay, there is definition of generation. You must answer that. You don't question your professor. There is one generation.
25
Don't
years.
straight away say no such
Generation.
thing.
Mother and
25 years.
Your birth and your son's
Please
birth.
remember, everyone is giving the number. I don't know, you're telling your lucky numbers, your age, I don't know. One generation is, you know
Mother
the
and-
birth of year of your birth,
And
and your first child's birth year.
yeah,
Yes.
that's what I want to tell.
Between the two gap is the one generation.
Okay.
So it's constantly changing from the gender, different society, whatever thing. The purpose of asking this question is, what do we acquire today as knowledge? Please see that it is communicated to generations to come. To be very honest, I am not interested in addressing this gathering of my colleagues, my friends. Please communicate this message to your children, more so grandchildren, and some may be having great grandchildren. The message must go in generations like that. This is the purpose of myself talking. I'm glad to inform you, today I am completing 53 years in cardiology and getting to 54th year of my training by practice in cardiology. I don't know how long I'm going to stay in the world, but I've decided that my stay in the world must be useful to our society. That's what I mean to be, and I'll continue my journey. Actually, 2 years, 1.5 years before I addressed in China, now recently I addressed in Japan, 16,000 people they were there. My topic was to live for 100 years, just before the COVID. You won't believe me, nearly 1,000 people stood up. They didn't want to listen my talk. I told them why. Sir, we are already 102, 103, 104 years. What is
Oh.
a person listening for live for 100 years? Then I changed my topic, live beyond 100 years. Then we analyzed how they were able to live so many years because they are all live as a single society. They live for the society. They live with the nature. However rich they may be, they will go to the office only by cycle. Or they may go and walk if the distance can be covered in that particular time. So, please remember, those who are living for the country, those who are living for the nation and society, the age, they can very easily cross more than 100 years. And please remember, as my friend Krishna said, one request is please treat all your friends as relatives and treat all your relatives as friends. There will never be any dispute in our existence. And I consider, and it has been proven by statistics wise, it has been published in all the medical cardiology journals. Those who have been living very close with their friends and relatives, they will live longer. Please remember that. So the binding force helps us to be. That's the reason why I'm really involved with the dignitarians. In a selfish way, when I move with all my friends and relatives, I am extending my life. Please remember, there's a secret of living longer is this the way. And I asked that another big crowd, those who have got problems, please raise your hands. Some they did not raise their hands. I told them, those who are not raised their hands, they are not human beings. Why I'm saying that? Having born, we ought to live with the problems. There is no single human being in the earth that can be without problems because problems only making us to live. And how I'm going to give certain tips for that one. See here, if I ask you this slide, what do you think you're going to see here?
Hello, I'm Asha Chabria. Yeah.
What do you think you see in this slide, madam? Anyone?
Nothing.
Major
Blank
white,
slide.
A black dot.
major white.
One dot.
Black circle.
One dot.
Black circle.
Okay. Those who said
White
black
paper,
circle,
White paper.
White
the
portion.
black, 1 minute. Those who said black, the dark black circle, they are only prone for heart attack. Don't get frightened. My simple question is, 99% of that slide is clear,
Yes,
very
white.
smooth, but corner and black spot, you have started searching for it, started worrying about it. That is what life is. Our mind will never allow us to enjoy what you have, but start brooding and worrying about what you have not got it. So never bother what you have not got it. Please start enjoying what you have. You can live for 100 years. Suppose if I ask you once again, what do you see in the slide? Please remember, nobody would like to mention the black spots. That's what life is like that. Please remember that. So please, once you understand, you won't need Chockalingam help for 100 years, minimum. Then life is a journey, is a very pleasant journey, and it is not a race. Please remember that. The moment, if you consider a race, we will be lost in the life. Consider the ship is the one of life, and it can sail only in the sea. Sea is only full of problems. If you don't want the problems, then we cannot sail our life at all. But you must know how to live with the problems and lead your life. Suppose you allow the problems to get into the ship, what happens? Please see here. It wrecks within few minutes. So if you are going to start worrying, if you are going to allow the worry to go in depth of your mind, It may even kill you in 2 minutes. Please remember, if you're going to understand, we can live for 100 years. Not to threaten you, but I want to put the scientific facts to you, and you must have clarity of life. I know that many people are different religion. They all will be talking different languages, color may be different. The purpose of praying all the gods, please remember, if you are going to have the strength of God within you, no external force will kill you up to 100 years. So don't simply stop praying the God. Whomever you believe, any religion, keep silent for a minute after praying and get the strength of God within you. You live for 100 years. That is the secret of praying any religion. That's what I'm going to say. All religions accepted this candle. Why? Once you lit this candle, it is a symbolic expression of it dispels the darkness. It's an enlightenment. That's the reason why we always keep this candle, so that we must get constantly enlightened. That's a very important thing. Once you eliminate that one, we can eliminate our darkness of ignorance. That's the reason why every religion is following that. What is the most precious thing in the world today? Can anyone answer this question? What is the most precious?
Our soul.
Our life.
Time.
Very good. Most precious today is our individual's own life is most precious. We are all alive. We are all now talking. That is a gift of I personally feel. Which is the most important company in your life you would like to have? You answer this question.
Our bodies. Our
Oh, excellent.
Our
You
breath.
must give a very big hand for the person who answered. Our own body is the best company that will never go away from you as long as you live. So choose any company you want. It may be transient, it may not be following, but respect your own body. Consider it's the greatest company one can ever have. Okay. Now, the 3 killer diseases are, that heart attack, cancer, or accidents. Unfortunately, the 3 are only taking all of our lives. And please remember, they are all lifestyle diseases. All the 3 can be prevented. Please remember, make a note, 100%, not 1%. Once you listen my talk, and if you're going to implement it, all can be prevented 100%. Unfortunately, in addition to the 3 killer diseases today, we are added COVID-19. Or the suicide is an expression of depression. It has become very, very common in children, and more educated people it has become very common. You'll be surprised if I'm going to make a statement. Recent study published in the American Cardiology Society, the maximum incidence of depression and the maximum incidence of suicides are in America and Europe is among doctors. Please remember that. That is known as burnout phenomena. So the person who is teaching is not able to follow what the life is. But we as a dignitarians, dignity members, we are very safe. I gave a talk in San Francisco, how one must overcome the burnout phenomena among physicians. And please remember, apart from these killing diseases, can you read one by one what I have given the slide? Please read it.
Stroke, tension, headache, hand tremors, gastric ulcers, asthma, skin disorders, infections, COVID-19, autoimmune disease, cancer, accident and suicide, AIDS, HIV.
Now see here, now the COVID and suicide is a very important expression of a negative thoughts. AIDS is not because a negative one, because the person with a negative one won't be satisfied with a single partner and expose himself and vulnerable for AIDS. Now, as my friend introduced, never get caught by police, lawyer, or doctors like me. Not, I won't say that we'll be losing our property in tackling all these diseases or problems. But please consider all three important persons in your life and have them as great friends. They will be helping you to lead our life nicely. They are meant for like that. Okay? Now, if you want to live more than 100 years, existence is very important. I made it as EQ. What will be EQ for existence is 1, emotion, eating, exercise. The 3 only I am going to discuss another few minutes. How by manipulating the E's of 3 EQ, one can live for like that. For example, the EQ by converted into 3 mantras. The 3 mantras are, please read loudly. Mantra 1 is?
Be positive in thinking.
Very good.
Healthy.
Be healthy in eating. Be healthy in eating. And be adequate in exercise.
If everyone follows 3 mantras, all doctors will become jobless. All hospitals, colleges, all the things can be closed.
Yes.
But people are ready to enjoy what I'm saying. Many, they fail to follow what I'm saying. So the simplest way to live for it, these 3 simple mantras we are going to follow every day. You need not spend even a pi for these mantras. Mantra 1, I'm going to discuss what is that one. See here, what is the mind is? That is what I'm saying, that most important. Mind we cannot see, mind cannot be touched, but it is operated only in your brain. So brain is the hardware, mind is the software, it is getting operated by the mind only. The mind is within the brain, and please remember, the brain is governed by your mind only. So mind is within the brain, and please remember, the brain function is determined, dictated by your mind, not only your brain, by your heart and all organs in the body. Please remember, head to foot, every organ is dictated, determined, decided by what you don't see, what you cannot touch is the mind. Very important thing, please remember that. I am re-emphasizing, mind is the fastest, strongest, and most important thing. Mind, as a matter of fact, no matter at all, I already told you. That is what I am saying. For any matter, be like never mind, doesn't matter, nothing should disturb you. Okay. Mind, in the Latin term is psyche, manam, ullam. What is the mind is? The 5 sensory organs sends its feelings to the brain. Once it reaches the brain, the feelings are converted into thoughts. Thoughts are converted into intellect. We are of 6 senses, we call it as human being. All 3 becomes a mind. So feeling, thought, intellect. Once the mind is formed, you must keep your mind 360 degrees and keep your mind as open parish. Once mind is formed, we develop personality. We call it as ABCD, which we will look into that shortly. Now, most important, nobody can live, separate both the body and soul. They are interdependent. but both are supported by our, please remember, positive mind. As long you keep the mind positive, it will be supported. The moment if it becomes negative mind here, the supportive one, it became a killing force for the both body and soul. So keep your mind all the time positive, any account. Never allowed to go to negative one, which I'm going to give certain tips for that. For example, your intellect must govern your mind. Mind must govern your body. If both are in single line, your soul or life will be taken care of for 100 years minimum. That's what I'm saying. Mind is a beautiful servant. Mind is a dangerous master. So, master your mind. In that case, it will be a great servant for you. Please remember that. Once you develop the heart of keeping that one is under your control, and that mind also the peace of mind, you will live for 100 years without any difficulty. What do you mean by stress? Is it possible, Chokalingam, without stress? Please remember, it is impossible for anyone to be without stress. Please remember, stress is a reaction of mind and body to the environment. The moment when you started, there are some unwanted people they entered. Doesn't matter, that's life is like that. And immediately our mind and body reacts to that. Not if you are going to encourage, people will come. This form or the different form. That we cannot escape that. So how we are going to react to the environment is the most important factor. Now, the stress as long, please everyone must closely watch. The stress as long it is positive. The pendulum is in the green side of the pendulum. Endorphin, please remember that. Repeat as I'm telling, endorphin. Repeat.
Endorphin.
Endorphin.
Melatonin.
Melatonin.
Yes, sir.
Serotonin.
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 Oxytocin.
Oxytocin.
And dopamine.
And dopamine.
All 5 hormones. The moment I'm happy, the moment you are happy in listening my talk, these hormones are secreted. And it becomes a breeze like that, like a tendril. So happiness from all happenings, that is what positive. Immediately triggers psycho, neuro, humoro, viscero, including immune response, making your system very, very healthy. Am I clear this point? So the moment you are going to be in the positive side of the pendulum, if you are going to keep it by chance as a part of your life itself, you live in a very healthy way. Okay, Chokalingam, it is not possible. Then it becomes a negative one. Adrenaline, cortisol, oxidative stress is just like a tsunami. The pendulum from year to year it shifts, it becomes a tsunami, it will kill you. So which one you choose to be? In a positive or negative side? Which one you like to be?
Positive.
Positive.
You want to be only in positive. Especially for example, another thing, the constant fighting between daughter-in-law, mother-in-law, but luckily we don't experience, but still happening. So in the moment you are unhappy, the negative hormones are pumped. The moment you are happy, positive hormones are pumped in the blood. You choose the pendulum. Easiest thing is be happy with everything. That's all. You know, I'm creating a lot of questions. We'll have it in the discussions. Okay. Once you become negative, as I told you, the personalities A is avaricious, agitated, anxious. C is a compressed, concealed, non-communicative. They'll be constantly wearing mask. D is a depressed, distressed, dissatisfied. 16 years back, I globally introduced one personality by name E personality. Is exchanging personality, is changing from one to other. Then it has been accepted universally. It's a E personality. All the four, one must be avoided. What are the four you must avoid? Please repeat. What four must be avoided? Tell me. What four must be avoided?
A, B, C, D.
A.
B, C, D.
Oh, what, madam? C, B, why you included? A, C, D, and E must be avoided. Okay? Now, which is the best mindset, personality you like to? The type B is the best one. Be positive, be calm, happy, and blissful. The person who is constantly meditating, please remember that. There is no need for medication at all.
Meditation requires.
That is what our brother Rajappan always stresses. How natural treatment, meditations, everything useful. Am I clear? And when I meeting, they asked me, Chokkaling, be honest. How many minutes you are meditating? Shall I tell you, madam? Rajappan, Chokkalingam, I don't meditate. Then immediately many were asking, why you have been telling so many years meditation, you don't meditate. Please remember, many people, they meditate for 20 minutes. Then they'll get agitated after 21st minute.
Correct.
Instead of that, Chokkalingam made my life itself a meditation. You understand? The moment if you consider your life is a meditation, there is no problem at all. Please remember that. And I told you initially, the hormones, please read once again, the hormones that are positive one, read from here. Melatonin,
Dopamine,
Dopamine, serotonin,
and
oxytocin, endorphin.
very good. So these hormones are priceless. We cannot, I will tell you recently, I will tell you one important, positive hormones. And suppose, why not to take this hormones as a tablet or injections? Please remember, if you are going to take these hormones orally, they will get digested. Then they made a study, why not to make endorphin as an injection?
Yes.
So that I can be happy. Please remember, endorphin if you are going to extract, 10 cc of endorphin you can give intravenously. Intramuscularly we cannot, it has to go to the blood. But 10 cc of endorphin, please remember, it costs you 1 lakh rupees and effective only for 10 minutes.
अगर आप एंडोर्फिन जो एक ये है
Very good. So
हार्मोन
how God has given you to, why it is known as endorphin, you know that? It's an endogenous morphine. Morphine is the injection, we put it, we become elated. Endorphin is the one internally secreting morphine is 10 times more potent than your morphine itself. So allow be happy, allow your endorphin to secrete as a great neurotransmitters. Am I clear? Very good. All of you, please, I request, please sit straight like this. Everyone must sit straight when you are sitting. If you are going to lean like that, it's not good position. Please sit, all of you sit straight. You all, some may be knowing, can you identify this person?
Career.
Please.
Kamaraj.
Annadurai.
Madurai.
MGR.
Vedatri Maharishi. Why I am showing this legends photos? Chokkalingam was a cardiologist 40 years before. I treated all of them. Why I am showing this one? I am sharing the experience of what I gained from them also to you all. They all lived till the end of their life. Please remember that. And another important thing is the greatest opportunity both of us addressed. 15,000 students in Chennai. Very great opportunity for me. That night I left Washington. If I missed that opportunity, I would not have met him at all. His only aim was everyone to live in oneness. That's what he has been stressing. All may be thinking success gives you happiness, isn't it? But the real fact is, happiness is the greatest success. Am I clear? Among the two, which one will win ultimately in the race? This one or this one? Anyone can guess?
Tortoise.
Steady, tortoise will stay.
Tortoise.
Yes,
நான் உனக்கு சொல்லட்டுமா? ரெண்டுமே வின் பண்ண ஒண்ணுதான் தோற்கும். முயலாமை தான் தோற்கும். முயல் ஆமை. முயலாமை தோற்கும் தவிர இரண்டுமே ஜெயிக்கும். So never lose your attempt of trying. That's what I am stressing. How are going to be happy, Chocolate? If you ask me, I'll give you 3 tips. Please read one by one loudly. One tip. Yes?
To accept the things I cannot change.
Please remember that.
Courage to change the things I can.
Wisdom to know
the difference.
Once you know this concept, we all ought to live for happily. For that, please remember, one must accept the law of change, law of acceptance, law of responsibility, law of alignment. Very important thing. These are all known as 4 cosmic laws to be happy. Now you know that we are now grouped into various groups A, B, ABO. RH means rhesus monkey. It has got only plus and minus. So you got these 8 types of blood groups. Suppose God tells you can choose the best blood group. Which one would like to choose among the 4?
Be positive.
Very good. Many will say O group because they want to be universal donor. My concept, as you correctly put it, be positive. You have given the best answer. I am very thankful to you. How man evolved from rhesus monkey 6 million years ago, 60 lakhs years ago. But our ancestors, when they started their life, they have to fight all the time, fight and flight. For that, they needed adrenaline, noradrenaline, cortisol. Our so-called stress hormones of negative today, it was mandatory for them to live and it was positive for them. You understand? Now and present civilized one also you are using excessively and it becomes a negative hormone. See here, how this person has become. Okay. How this person has become. They are only responsible for making Chokalingam very, very rich. That's what I am thinking. Anything you must take it casually. No, I don't have the habit of taking it casually. Please remember, we have to travel in the ambulance to reach the casualty. So accept and take it everything positive. What is the responsibility? I told you, law of responsibility. What do you mean by responsibility? Responsibility is ability to respond to the situation. That's all. Situation will constantly change. Situation may not be conducive for your existence, but you must be able to respond to that. Okay, I will ask you now another question. Which is the best degree you like to possess? What Chokling is possessing, DM and PhD? Or which is the best degree you like to possess?
BCom.
Oh, excellent. Give a
Be
big
calm.
hand for those answered. Be calm, not become. I mean, how calm one should be.
Okay.
Now, unfortunately, Indians are most important victims for heart attack, stroke, diabetes, and Americans 10 times more than Chinese, 20 times than Japanese. We were surprised to know every hour 90% are dying, that too below the age of 20 years. Both male and female, unfortunate scenario. To put a full stop, I am sharing this platform with you all. Which is the strongest muscle in your body? Can anyone guess?
The tongue.
Strongest muscle.
Tongue.
Tongue.
Heart.
Oh, excellent. Give a big hand. Heart is the strongest muscle. I will tell you why. Heart beats 72 times per minute. Per day, 1 lakh. For years to come, it has been continuously working without any rest. See how God or nature created and fabricated heart. And it weighs only 300 grams. Is a closed fish size and the apple shape. And for the heart to function, please remember, you are able to see two red lines. They are known as coronary arteries. The blood supplying vessels of the heart is coronary vessels. Can you imagine what will be the length of all blood vessels you are going to put in one line? In an adult, 6 feet. Can you guess the length of 6 feet person? The pump blood must reach out all the tissues by blood vessels. Can you guess anyone the length of the blood vessel? What is the length of the blood vessel? Why so much of silence? Doesn't matter right or wrong.
10 miles.
Yes, Rajeswari. She is making even notes.
10 miles.
Yes, any more answer?
3 times the circumference of the earth.
Please
About 10 miles.
remember,
Huh?
it is
I heard. Hello.
2.5 times it can encircle the globe. That is 40,000 kilometers is circumference of the world. So it is 100,000 kilometers a human being is having within the body. So whenever the heart beats, the blood should be pumped out and it must reach all 100,000 kilometers. Not an easy job. And we have got nearly 40 trillion cells in the body. All must be nourished by blood and the heart is working for that. Without any expectations. So how will you make the heart to work for so many years is keeping a mind positive. Okay. What is a heart attack? Please remember, when the blood vessel that is carrying coronary arteries, if it gets blocked, we call it as heart attack. So in simple, blocking of the blood that supplies the heart muscle. Don't get frightened. Once you know that, you can be even after heart attack, you can live for 100 years. I'm going to tell you. Now, most important factor is we all need cholesterol in the body. Good, bad, any cholesterol is mandatory. But as long as the cholesterol is in the blood, it is very, very nice and useful. But a person who is on chronic negative stress, please remember, please watch the slide carefully. The cholesterol gradually get deposited in the blood vessel and making it more and more narrowed. See here, it may be 70, 80, 90, 100% also. So blockage occurs because of your negative personality. The hormones that are secreted by that separates the cholesterol from the blood into the blood vessel wall. Am I clear? Now, suppose a person has got acute stress, something happened, acute stress, you know by this time. Wait, many are dying with the age of 20, 25 like that. Any acute stress, please remember, it is not the block responsible, the blood clot occurs. Or the blood vessels may go for severe spasm. So all three responsible for heart attack. One good news, all three can be 100% prevented. How many percentage prevented? 100%. Excellent. See here. Now, please closely watch. I want this one to be communicated to our children, grandchildren. They're constantly under stress, all negative personalities. Immediately they will take fatty foods in their mindset. Then they will put on weight and they won't like to do any exercise. And they think that smoking drinks gives them happiness. Unfortunately, it is not so. When the cycle is completed, please remember, this cycle, half of it, add diseases the following. 1, cholesterol increases, sugar goes up, pressure goes up. When the cycle, by the time it completes, it results in heart attack. Am I clear? It's a very important slide. If you want to live, we must break that cycle. Please remember, our children, grandchildren closely seeing us. They will also follow what we have been doing. Okay. So please remember, heart attack is not a correct terminology because heart is not attacking us. You must know that. But we are only attacking the heart by our negative mindset. So attack the heart attack before it attacks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now see here, a person constantly worrying definitely gets heart attack. After getting the heart attack, he starts worrying, it becomes a vicious cycle and one more attack comes, another attack comes. Maximum heart attack globally occurs between what? 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. Can you guess anyone what day it occurs maximum in a week?
Monday.
Monday. Excellent, madam. Okay. Before they reach the office, before they reach the college, they die. Because they enjoy the Friday, Saturday and Sunday. They fail to continue the enjoyment even other days. Once you get a heart attack, you call this heart attack is marble adaipu mari. Immediately the pain will radiate to the neck, shoulder, or to the arm, to the tip of the little finger. This is a radiation pain with the sweating, palpitation, weakness, sometimes giddiness, breathing difficulty. The first 6 hours you must go to the doctor. You will definitely get saved. By means of giving some injections, keeping them intensive care, we can cure them. Now, after admission, we take ECG, X-ray, echo, angiogram. Within 2 minutes, we will confirm that we had a heart attack. And then we do stenting, emergency bypass surgery, immediate pacemaker, even transplant or artificial heart. Our amount of money you may spend, please remember, all are only temporary. Then what is the permanent cure? What is the thing like that? See here, the positive lifestyle, how she is calm all the time, and how they are taking vegetables and fruits in plenty, and making that aerobic exercise a mandatory, and keeping the weight optimal, and avoiding smoking and drinks totally. In doing this cycle, please remember, the cholesterol disappears within 6 months, abnormal cholesterol. The sugar, there is no need to have the treatment after 1 year. BP, after 1 year, you can disconnect the medicines of the blood pressure. And doing so like that, even they had 99% block. After 1 year, the block totally cleared off. That is known as permanent cure. And make the children to watch when you are in positive life cycle. I want to register here. Out of 100 heart attack patients, please remember, 95% of them, I make them all right with this positive lifestyle and the medicines. 5% they meet stenting, other things, but after having gone, they also must follow this positive life cycle. Very important thing. Please, this is the important life cycle. Which one you like to choose is left to you. Once you use the positive lifestyle, and this cycle will enormously produce hormones, not only heart attack, prevent stroke, all diseases, including cancer, resistance to COVID, everything. And good news I want to share. Suppose someone is having 19% block, they follow the lifestyle of positive for 1 year, it all get regressed totally, as I told you. Another good news which I have now found out recently, suppose you are born with sugar, pressure, heart attack, your parents would have given, your genes are carried. Please remember, if you follow the positive lifestyle from today, how many years? 9 years, the genes will get weathered off. Please, very important message, but it takes 9 years. Suppose you may be born with a normal genes, no diseases, but if you follow negative lifestyle for 9 years, from today, all diseases will get attached. Then you will be the sufferer. This is now proven because genetic mutation to positivity or negativity by your mindset and lifestyle, because these genes are all epigenes or phenotype genes. They constantly change to the environment. Luckily, God has put the all-killing diseases still by your control. And I want to make a note of everyone. Everyone must keep in their packet aspirin 325 milligram, clopidogrel 75 milligram, atorvastatin 40 milligram as 3 tablets, small packet. Whenever you feel any discomfort, whether it's a heart attack or not, if you swallow this with water and give a ring to 108, they will reach within 10 minutes, 100% you can be saved. That's what I'm communicating to all our meetings. All 3 medicines maximum together will be about 3 rupees or 4 rupees. Suppose you cannot buy anything, at least buy aspirin 325 milligrams is only 1 rupee. That is enough to save you. So please make a note of this and keep. Suppose after taking that, and if you go to the doctor, they say no heart attack, doesn't matter. No harm of having taken these medicines.
Repeat the medicines.
Felista, able to hear me?
Medicines repeat பண்ணுங்க.
அங்கே எழுதிருக்கேன் பாருங்களேன். அப்படியே Felista, but 10 people are waiting in the room. Why don't you allow them to enter in?
Sir, since that that disturbance happened in the first session.
But they may be genuine people.
Okay, sir.
I don't know. You have to decide. I don't know. But I don't know. You're seeing them anything. Okay, please remember, take even a photograph of these 3 and keep it with you, available in every shop. You can allow them to enter, Felista. That's what I feel. Because now people are entering, waiting. They are really interested in knowing from us. But
Okay,
don't
sir,
blame me if something happens. Just I don't know.
Okay, sir, will do.
Okay. Now, just a minute about COVID. Okay. The COVID, unfortunately, is a zoonotic. From animals like pangolins and bats, it has come to human being. Having come to that, zoonetics means animals to human being. Once it's now spread to the human being, animals has got no role at all. It's only spreading among us only. Unfortunately, it become pandemic because such a spreading one, globalization, it happened like that. Now, you know about direct spread, you know about the indirect spread, how precautions you must take, all the things you must be mastered. And please remember, SMS is a tip to prevent 100% COVID. What do you mean SMS? Soap and sanitizer, masking, and social distance. If everyone follows the three, please take it from me, 100% COVID can be eradicated. Fine. And work you must consider as a worship. Work is worship, work and worship. Saying the Thoril Devam. We must know how to balance work and life constantly. Very important. We need money to be happy, no doubt about it. But many they become unhappy in earning money because of stress of their work. They become my victim. I used to say after 1 you add any number of zeros. The value of zeros only when your existence, that is what one is yourself, your life. We have been created by procreation. Our parents by procreation created us. But I'm considering, I will request all of you, please recreate by means of recreation. Dignity Foundation, every Saturday we meet, every monthly meet, even this meeting, you consider as a recreation. If we consider anything as a recreation, please remember, we are recreating ourselves. And most important, consider your job is a recreation. My talk I am giving now, I am not meditating, I consider as a recreation. Then Chokkalingam, at the age of 76, you will be surprised, I never taken even a single medicine till today. But don't stop medicines immediately. At the advice of doctors, you do that. Sleep is the most important. Once you keep your mindset alpha mind and calm, you will sleep nicely because the sleep itself is the greatest meditation and no drug can be equated. Now see here, whenever you want lie down, best place is lie down like this. Left side, keep the legs bent and the arms like this. This is the best position for the heart. Within how many minutes you must be able to sleep? Within 7 minutes? And minimum you must sleep for 7 hours. Preference is 8 hours. So I used to say out of 24 hours per day, divide into 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. 8 hours sleep, 8 hours you spend for your own things, what you have to do. And 8 hours, if you want to earn money, put your effort for earning money. Above the age of 60, you must live on your savings and you must educate our fellow persons and society what you gathered as your knowledge, share with them and make our society healthy. So 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours. And I used to say, how one must spend. Sleep and happiness is just like a butterfly. If you want to catch, it will go off from you. The moment you are happy, the butterfly will come and sit on your palm. That is what happiness and sleep. The healthy in eating. Can you guess out of all the nuts, which nuts contains maximum cholesterol? Rajeshwari.
Nothing.
Peanut.
Peanut. Anyone else?
Walnut.
Walnut.
Cashew nut, cashew nut.
Cashew nut.
Nothing.
is best.
Nothing.
Cashews, cashews.
Please remember, my dear friends,
Nothing.
all the nuts are all zero cholesterol.
Okay.
They don't contain any cholesterol. Any food from the vegetable kingdom, whatever thing it may be, all are all zero cholesterol. So you must take this one with skin, 5 or 6 like that every day. But if you take more, it will add weight. அறுசுவை ரசித்து சாப்பிடுங்க. ஏழாவது சுவை என்ற நகைச்சுவை ரசித்து சாப்பிட்டால் it will be very safe. Take only for your need, don't take just for appetite. And most important tips for the food, avoid full stomach food, half stomach food, quarter water, quarter empty. And before going to bed, 3 hours before that, you must finish your dinner. Never exercise after meals. And breakfast take plenty, lunch less, dinner much less. Take water minimum 3 to 4 liters per day. And most important tip I would like to give, the HDL cholesterol is a high density lipoprotein is a good cholesterol. How to increase that one? Your liver only can make it by your mind signal, like keeping a weight optimum, meditation, exercise, no smoking. Whenever good cholesterol more than 50, automatically bad cholesterol become less than 100. And any food that is contained more of saturated, your bad cholesterol will increase. And please remember, these oils will reduce your bad cholesterol, like rice bran oil, most important, rice bran oil, or olive oil, sunflower, or nallanai, sesame oil, all are really good. Never have the weight like this, apple obesity, avoid infantile obesity. I believe strongly, shorten your waistline, lengthen your lifeline. Please avoid less luggage is more comfort, reduce your weight, reduce your burden your mind. Both must not be there. One lady told me I am doing every day 3 asanas. Innamma ketta. Sitting, eating, sleeping. I told her we cannot escape from death. There's a reason I used to say, please reduce oil, thereby increase your oil. Better to fast than live on fast food. You know that when they invented television, it was so thick, the person who have been watching, they were very lean. Today, that a television has become slim. The person who is watching, he become obese like that. See that? Tea per day, 2 cups allowed. Alcohol, any form, no. Smoking, both active and passive, must be totally avoided. I already told you how dangerous it is. So, third mantra, exercise is mandatory. Do regular aerobic exercise. One advice for all my friends, treadmill, don't use it very fast, very much elevated like that. They may need knee replacement at the age of 40 years. You know that lift has been invented by Otis 132 years ago. Is American in Chicago. Even today is very important one. As my friend told me, that not my house in the 8th floor. My department of cardiology, my room is now in the 9th floor. Till today I reached my room, chuckling and never used even a single time to reach my room. I use only staircase. One day a new liftman came, sir, we can come by lift. I told him no. I told him why, and he was telling me, please come by lift, sir. To avoid going up, I decided to go only by staircase. And please remember, exercise has got enormous benefits. And please, most important, it prevents many cancers also. And yoga means connecting mind, body, soul. Is our ancestors coined that one. And these asanas are very good. But please remember, these 2 asanas must be totally avoided. Sarasasana and Sarvangasana. Everything is fast. Fast life, fast food, fast communication, fast travel. Please remember, heart beats faster, life ends faster. That's the reason I used to say, please avoid hurry, worry, curry to get buried. And from here, from home to tomb, not in our hands, the line between the two is our life. We can extend it, we can shorten it, but both are only in your hands. You keep the line up, you live longer. And you said, வாய் விட்டு சிரித்தால் நோய் விட்டு போகும். நான் சொல்றது வாய் விட்டு சிரித்தால் நோயற்றே வாழலாம். Calm mind only be happy. Then only you can enjoy the humor. The moment some are clapping, I'm really happy to see many are wish to clap. Please remember, I will tell you the secret of clapping. All the organs are imprinted in the palm. The moment you clap, by acupressure they are stimulated, and stimulated sensations go to the brain and go to all the organs, make you to function more than 100 years. So mere act of clapping will make you healthy. Life is a rainbow. It will appear, disappear. We will also appear and disappear. Rainbow, if you go near, we cannot see, you cannot touch. The same thing, you must observe a life from a distance, not go into the life itself. Consider rainbow, the 7 colors as your character, like honesty, humility, holistic, humor, helping, hardworking, like that. You will be happy to live and your life will be like a rainbow. And rainbow colors only in the skin of vegetables and fruits. Take the skin, both the things intact with the skin, very healthy. Among the 7, at least 2 colors of exercise you must follow. One aerobic, make yogas and meditations a part of your life. No chuckling, I don't follow that. Even then you will have a rainbow in your house. What is the rainbow in the house? In a shortcut you all may think. The rainbow here is all the injections, medicines are different colors for various diseases. So you have to choose which rainbow you want. We all must use objects, but we must love subjects. But unfortunately now, they all use the subjects, they love the objects, they get into problem. So, yesterday is a broken pot, tomorrow is cat on the wall, today is a musical instrument, which you must enjoy by fine-tuning of our mindset. So, keys to be happy and healthy only in your fingertips. Control yourself. Alternate if necessary. Delete the unwanted things immediately. You are left only with the happiness. And life is a calculator. Add good things, deduct bad things, multiply your knowledge, divide your time, live at balance. We ought to live for 100 years. That's what I used to say when you are seeing at the clock. We always see this time only all the time. Honey is the only one thing that will get spoiled. And if we put anything within that, it won't allow it to spoil. We as a dignity, fellow persons, we must become like honey. Please avoid C cubes, criticizing others, comparing with others, complaining about others. So life is, I will put one by one. I request you to read that one. Please read.
Life is a journey.
Life is a journey.
Travel.
Keep moving, travel.
Life is
an art. Learn.
Life is a
music.
Music.
Listen. Life is a rainbow. Enjoy. Life is a game. Play. Life is a promise. Fulfill. Life is a dream. Realize.
So this is what life is. So you all must live your life in a better way.
Life better.
And I request all of you, not a standing ovation, sitting ovation. We must give a very big hand to Sundara Gopalan and everyone responsible for the meeting. And please clap your hands yourself because you have come to a meeting, you all enjoy it. And clapping like that, we all will live longer. If you like my talk, you give a big hand, always keep quiet. I used to ask in person
Very nice.
whether you are all clapping for my talk for your health. Always you will say for both. So please make a note of a number, mobile number, mail. This Mind Your Heart is we can online purchase album also.
Mind your heart and get it out of the queue.
I know many were making a note. It's available in the book. LC were published. And then now Agash is the publisher for that one. They given the rights for that. I am really honored to be with. I will give time for you to make a note of it. Anytime you can contact me. If I have any service, I'll be very happy to answer your questions.
Thank you, doctor.
I'm very much see you. Now,
Thank
we will
you.
Excellent session. Excellent.
stop sharing. Now we'll go for
Bye-bye.
question and answers.
Thank you. Thank you,
I'm very much
doctor.
thankful. I hope everyone enjoyed that.
Yes,
Otherwise,
much.
some
We enjoyed
crowd
too
won't
much.
be seeing that.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
2 minutes I will spend our time.
We enjoyed it too much. We learned a lot.
One at a time, we can ask, share your questions. Don't be reluctant to ask any questions. We'll spend some time in clarifying your questions if you know the answer.
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Sir, you
Yes,
mentioned
one at a time.
Sarvangasana.
Please mention your name and answer question.
Dr. Chokkalingam, this is Ganesh Iyer. You said Sarvangasana should not be done. Any particular reason?
Yes, please. Who is asking this question?
Ganesh Iyer.
Oh, very nice. Why not you do this Sarasasana, Sarvangasana? Our ancestors, they invented the procedure with the help that if we stand upside down, blood supply to the brain will go more, and that way they'll become more intelligent. But unfortunately, in doing like that, the pressure in the brain increases 5-fold. The heart works increases by 8-fold, and it is now accepted by WHO by a constant fight by us. Better to avoid both the things. But it is not a good asana to be practiced. I hope I answered. Those who have been practicing, please stop it today itself and discourage anyone doing that one. Except that any stretching, any exercise, most welcome. I really
Hello.
appreciate this excellent
Okay,
question.
thank you very much.
Sir, I'm Firoz Wadia.
Question.
Yes,
Hello.
one at a time.
Anita Bose from
Introduce
Calcutta.
yourself, your name, and then question.
My name is Firoz Wadia.
Yes, please.
I would not like to live for 100 years.
Yes, your option is. How old are you? Firoz, how
I'm
old
70.
are you?
I'll be 76 on 14th January.
Very good. Now, if you decide to die at the age of 80, most welcome to die. I'm not preventing you to live for 100 years.
Yes.
But my aim is, God has fabricated a heart to work for 125 years.
Okay.
Father already reduced 25, making it live for 100. Actually, I addressed one meeting in Washington. One doctor, my student was telling me, he is only 40 years. He told me, sir, I don't want to live for 100 years. Then you die happily today itself. Who is preventing you to die?
Yes.
The aim of talking is, You must live a healthy way. You must be productive way. You must be useful to society. I will give an example. One patient, Mr. Ram, his name is Rajavalachari. Not that one, is another person of his name. He is 92-year-old person. His wife is 88. He had a heart attack. He became all right and came and asked me, Chokkalingam, I want to see my 100th birthday. And this person now, today, you won't believe me, he has crossed 107 years of his life.
Oh God.
He is living not because of Chokkalingam. He knows how to live without my help. So it all depends. I am not asking you to live 100 years and suffer. But 1 minute, you can live in a very healthy way, productive way. Once you depend on others, it's not worth living. That's what Feroz is now communicating.
Right. You got me right.
I know. As long you are independent, as long you don't depend financially from your siblings or other persons, and if you continue to give and support others, our life will be very fruitful. That's what I personally feel.
The doctor,
Yes, please.
is there any way to get a peaceful death?
Very good. How to get the peaceful death is getting heart attack when you are sleeping.
Exactly.
Let it come naturally. As a matter of fact, as Feroz was asking, if Chokkaling is going to die, I don't want to get caught up by another Chokkaling cardiologist. Without his help, I want to die when you are sleeping. For it to occur, let it happen after 100 years. That's all I feel. That's all. Good, very nice. Good. You are really very frank, Vadia. I really appreciate.
Thank you.
I will tell you one thing, the August audience. Vadia, even though he's telling me,
Sorry.
I am going to celebrate his 100th birthday with all your presence, it will happen. Your person is not fear of death, they live longer. So he has decided to be healthy and living longer. His perception is like that. I really appreciate
I think I'm quite healthy.
If you keep smiling like this, automatically your years life will be extended without any effort.
Thank you.
Very good. It's an excellent. You are from where, Feroz? Vadia?
At the moment, I'm in South Gujarat.
Good.
I've escaped Bombay. I've stayed in Bombay, but because of the pandemic, I've left Bombay. I'm in a village.
Very good. So really greatest platform. Please communicate the message. And I really appreciate Vadia for the excellent expression of her views. Good. Yes, please.
Hello.
Next question.
Hello, I am Triveni Vasudevan.
Yes.
Shall I ask you question?
Please, madam. Where are you now? I'm just searching you.
So I'm not showing my face.
Yes, Triveni. You have blocked your video.
I blocked my video.
Okay. Now I am able to see you, Triveni. Tell me.
I'm thank you, sir. Thank you.
Where are you from? You please tell me your name, place, and then you ask question.
Triveni Vasudevan from Abhiramapuram Center.
Very good. Tell me, Triveni.
I am a diabetic person for the past 35 years.
Okay.
Okay, I'm taking the insulin also. Very stressed person, very negative person, very complaining person as of now. I want to change after your advice. From now on, definitely I promise you.
How old are you, Triveni?
68.
I guarantee your life from today minimum 30 years. If you change your attitude to the positive, after 1 year, you won't be needing so much of insulin, all the medicines you can stop it, and you become like Chokkalingam. And he's going to enlighten like you. I am very, very thankful to you. I appreciate Triveni.
Yeah, I'm very frank, sir. That much I know. I do so many things, but I'm very frank. But I am not taking any medicine for my cholesterol because my doctor used to say, you need not take any statin, any type of statin. It will affect liver. So I never taken it. Any problem will occur for my heart. I think due to this bad cholesterol, LDL
You
will
are
be
in
there.
Chennai only, isn't it, Triveni?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, one day you see me, then you see me after 20 years. I
I'm
will
not,
guide you.
sir,
One
really,
day,
really. Okay,
yes, one day
definitely.
visit me. Then I will
Definitely, I
tell you
want to meet
what
you.
all should be done.
Thank God. I want
As
to
a
meet you.
matter of fact, not statins. Any
Mm.
medicine, any disease you take, they will have side effects.
Yeah,
The
correct.
reason why avoid, don't stop your medicines immediately and don't climb 8 floors, 7 floors after listening my talk. All the things you must know how far you are capable, train and then do like that.
Okay,
And
then
it
I'm
is
doing.
possible to achieve what Triveni is planning to achieve.
Doctor,
Really
I want to meet
appreciate,
you.
madam.
I want to meet you.
Doctor,
Thank you.
where can I talk to you?
Yes, once is over, I given a phone number. I will tell you where and how we can do everything for you. No problem.
Yes, my phone number is 9322710095.
Very good. Please, you contact me once the meeting is over. I will help you.
Okay.
Doctor,
Thank you.
sir, I would like to
Doctor,
One
one
minute, 1
question.
minute.
One question
Yes.
from Shardamani from
Yes,
Bangalore, Vijayanagara Chavdi. I want to ask one question, doctor, please.
Yes, Saradamani.
Shardamani from Vijayanagara Chavdi, Bangalore.
But I am not able to see you, madam. Video is
Oh.
not working.
No. Already I started, no?
Yes, where is
Shardamani.
Saradamani? Okay, video is blocked. Don't worry. Tell me, ask your question, madam. Don't bother. Video is not coming up.
When you told that 3 tablets, that aspirin and chloropido and other one,
Clopidogrel and
that
atorvastatin.
3 tablets, on that time my tab disconnected a little. I can't hear next description. At what time we have to, why we are preserving that 3 tablets always? There is.
Yes, keep it. I will tell you when you contact me number. I will tell you,
Oh.
but Felista can give that PowerPoint presentation, the slide. You can get it from
Okay,
her
doctor.
also.
Very nice talking to you, doctor. On that time, 13 minutes, my tab not working.
Don't bother. Don't bother. We will compensate. We are
Always
connected.
shall we preserve the 3 tablets always
Yes.
in the house?
We can keep it. We just put it in a small plastic, keep it in a packet also. Whenever any co-persons also, you can give them, replace it. It will be very good for you.
Oh, what is indication for taking the tablets?
Yes, whenever you feel that pain is typical of heart attack or heart pain like that, then only you must take it. Not for routinely, not for angina. You suspect the attack pain, then you can take it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Saradamani.
Thank you, ma'am. Rita, ma'am, please go ahead with your question.
Yes, Rita.
I'm Rita Bose from Kolkata.
Yes, Calcutta. Boss,
Yes.
tell me.
You have given the position for sleeping. I want to know that sleeping straight on the back, is it bad?
Yes, we can lie on your back, no problem. Lie on your right or left, whichever thing you are used to that, don't change it. But never lie on your face. It is not good.
Okay. Yeah.
Among the 3, we can change. Left lateral is the best one for our system. Doesn't matter whichever position you are used.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Rita.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, where are you? Where are you consulting?
I am in Chennai.
Oh.
And you contact me. I am from Chennai.
Yes, I'm in Bombay.
No problem. Now we have got a virtual contact. We have got online consultation. Everything globally. I am now available everywhere. No problem at all.
Okay.
You can contact me anytime. I have any use. I'll be too
Your
happy to help
number
you
is
out.
98410
Yes.
719
Exactly. 91717. Correct.
Vanakkam, doctor.
I am
Vanakkam,
available
doctor.
20, I am available 24 into 7 into 365 days, madam.
Oh, yes.
Thank you. Tell me.
Hello. I have some request. I am
Yes,
Nagaraj
please,
from Bombay.
Nagaraj.
Yeah. See, you have made some explanations in Tamil. So there are so many people who are attending this who don't know Tamil at all. So
No.
for the sake of those people, you put them in English or whatever it is, and then
No.
put in the WhatsApp. It will be
I know
better.
you are from where, Nagaraj?
I'm Bombay. I'm from Bombay. I know
Bombay.
Tamil. No problem.
But 99% I talk in English
Pardon?
only.
Yeah.
1% because some Tamil the people much more easily enjoying that. That's the reason why.
No,
No
it's okay.
problem.
But no, for the sake of those people who
I
don't know
know that. I
Tamil,
know that. I agree with you, Nagaraj.
especially the thing Moilame, that is because they cannot. First of all, they don't know what is the
I know
Tamil
that.
called.
Moyalame in Tamil is not able to. That's
So
all.
yeah, so if you can explain some of them in whatever, it will be fine.
I will
Thanks.
do. But
Yeah.
your Tamil pronunciation is excellent, Nagaraj. I
Okay,
really
thank you. I
appreciate.
study because I studied in Tamil.
Oh, very good. Very good. Very good.
Hello, I am Vijayalakshmi Chari. I am Tamilian. I definitely enjoyed the course you put in Tamil.
Good. I agree with you all.
Yes, Bhanumati ma'am, go ahead.
Yeah, sir. I am Mrs. Bhanumati. I am 70-year-old. The one problem with me is I get anger very fast. How to control?
Okay.
I get angry very fast.
No.
I want everything in a disciplined manner. When I don't find those discipline in, I get angry. How to get control over this?
Excellent question, Bhanumati. Where are you from, Bhanumati?
I am from, at present, I am in Mumbai, but na Tamil kari dan, sir.
I will tell you one thing. Bhanumati asked
Yes, sir.
excellent questions, answer for everyone. Whenever you want anyone to be like you, that is shows your arrogancy, your adamancy.
Arrogance.
Because nobody in the earth is like Bhanumati by look or by your mindset.
Okay.
The 700 crores of people, everyone is different by look, everyone by different by emotions.
Yes.
You start appreciating others' emotion and look, never expect they should be like you. The moment you expect that they should be like you in your intelligence, honesty, and perfect, you'll be disappointed, you will start worrying, it will kill you.
Yes.
Suppose
Sir, you are
Bhanumati,
so very perfect. You are
1 minute. If you're going to be like that, if Bhanumati gets heart attack, do you mean to say anyone will change because, oh, Bhanumati heart attack, we will change it? Nobody in the earth will change even 1%.
Yes, sir.
Even 1% won't change it. But don't change your self-esteem and your mental outlook, but live without any expectations.
okay, sir. Okay,
Be
sir.
perfect yourself.
That's
Be
fine.
intelligent
That's
yourself. Be honest yourself.
Yes.
Enjoy what God has given you
Yes.
without any expectations.
Yes.
And that is what, sir, I expect because I
Don't
what I
expect.
want.
Because if you expect, you'll be cheated. You'll be
Okay, sir.
Respect from
disappointed.
our children.
Immediately it will push you into the negative thoughts. We must
Okay,
be.
sir.
Shall I tell you one
Okay.
thing? Chokkalingam about 55 years before, 10 times more worse than Bhanumati. Very, very perfect person.
Yes.
See that now she knows. Now to safeguard myself, I am accepting people. That's all.
Okay,
but
sir.
don't affect by them when they are surrounded by you. Be clever enough to protect yourself and live your life as you are. The most important thing, self-realization is the most important thing for our life.
Okay.
Once you are self-realized, happiness is within you.
Thank you.
Don't expect anyone to give happiness, because those who are not giving happiness because they are not happy.
Okay. Okay.
Unless they have got happiness, they will give you. When they're not happy, how can you expect them to give you happiness?
Yes, that's the
Yes,
meaning.
yes,
It's the
yes, yes,
secret
sir.
of life, Bhanumati. I
Yes.
really appreciate. Excellent
Yes.
question. I appreciate.
I
Because
liked it.
I, because
Yes, Raghupati must ask question.
yes.
All the time appreciating. What is that question, Raghupati?
Sir, I am now 79 to 80.
No, you removed
Then,
your video.
yeah.
You removed it. Removed your video.
Yes, yes. Sorry.
Yes.
I had my bypass surgery in 2003.
Okay.
Then unfortunately again 2014 a stent also.
Okay.
But I never feel that there is any stent or bypass today. 79, I am hopeful. 90 or anything I can go because I am free from all the worries. I never take it to in my mind at all.
Very good.
We are only
What?
two in the house.
Yes.
Just to do the morning exercise ordinarily, not training and all. Walking is the best course for me. Food is very restricted. We are doing cooking and doing ourselves. And all a little bit of the yoga and this, as you said, not the Tirasasana and all. Within my strength, I am doing it. Keeping mind clear, attending to some religious, this Gita Upadesam or some other religious things I am attending. And very, very happy. And reading on Mondays, 1 hour to all the public, some 20 to 30 people come on the Zoom. I am reading the Krishna. This is ISKCON book. And all of them are listening. Just reading, listening.
Where are you from, Raghupati?
I am in Chennai, Anna Nagar, your Travers Club member.
Oh, very good. Very happy. You are very close. I am so happy. All the time you have been clapping, because by clapping you will live for 100 years. You know the trick of living. I really appreciate. Please take care.
Sir, may I ask a question?
1 minute, 1 minute, one at a time. Who is the next caller?
Yes, sir, it's me. This iPad is not mine. My name is Singh, Asil Singh from Pune.
Okay, please tell me, sir.
Sir, you said that you gave the importance of sleep. You very nicely. It is very, very important to have good sleep.
Very
but
good.
There are also reasons why a person is not able to sleep well. It could be worries. It could be any kind of reasons. Now, it will be very. It takes long time to change the habit. I mean, if you are happy, let's say you will sleep well, but then to become happy, it takes, or to change your habits, it will take time. So in the meanwhile, since sleep is important every night, every day, is it okay to take sleeping pills? Otherwise,
I'm very
what is the
happy.
alternative?
Excellent question. Out of this 53 years of my cardiology practice, I never given even a single patient sleeping tablet. I make them to understand the importance of sleep. And the moment you are happy, you will sleep. Just meditate, thankful to God or nature or self. Just 2 minutes before sleep, you will sleep nicely. The reason is, why you are not happy? Because there is some environmental thing which is not making you happy. Don't depend on environment to make you happy. Please understand, happiness is within you. Nothing must make you unhappy. Never postpone happiness. Never underestimate happiness. First, to be happy, you must be peace of mind. For the peace of mind, you must self-realize the person. You are left only with that happiness and sleep. So you can take, but I never advise, never of my patients given that one. It should come naturally. I think after listening my today's talk, you will sleep nicely today night.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you.
implement that one regularly. You won't need sleeping tablet at all.
Thank you.
So can
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I
Yes,
have a
please.
question. So
Yes, please.
hello. Yes.
Your
Sir,
name?
I am Parveen Daruwala, sir. I'm from Mumbai.
Yes.
Is gastro associated with heart disease, heart ailment? Because many times we feel that we have got gastro and maybe some heart or heart problem, or we feel that it's a heart problem, it comes out to be a gastro.
Very good. Sometimes you may feel it's a muscular pain, gas trouble, cervical spondylosis, shoulder pain like that. Only your doctor can understand and diagnose whether it's a heart problem or not. You cannot decide. So please see that you go to the doctor, confirm whether the discomfort is heart trouble or not, and then follow the advice what I given you. Okay?
Doctor.
Rajapan, sir.
And we must do like that.
Doctor, some doctors recommend alcohol.
Excellent question. Who is asking?
Firoz.
Who?
Yeah, some don't. Some say yes and some say no.
Yes. Alcohol is very interesting question. Smoking 100% no. Alcohol taking occasionally is all right. But I won't use it as a medication. I won't advise anyone to start it. But taking occasionally 1 or 2 large weekly once or like that is good. But I will tell you one thing. One of my patients, he was smoking and drinking, and then he told me after 3 months of heart attack, I stopped smoking Chocolingam. Will you allow me to take alcohol occasionally? I told him that you are allowed to take occasionally. After 3 months, his wife and himself came to me, what Chocolingam? You spoiled my husband. I asked her why. When he said occasionally, he is making every day as occasion, Dr. So how can he manage like that? So please consider alcohol cannot be medicine at all. It has got its own side effect like BP, weakening of muscles, cholesterol, everything will be increased. First they thought good cholesterol increased by alcohol. No. So better to avoid it because the moment you are smiling, your endorphin is secreted. As I told you, endorphin is 10 times more potent than your morphine. Alcohol cannot come near that one. Be happy all the time. That's all. See how body is smiling. When he's smiling, it is increasing endorphin like anything. So that is a way of secret of life.
I'm a member of the Laughter Club in Bombay.
Very
Yeah,
good.
yeah,
Do you
many-
like
That's
that?
why you're laughing too much.
Many yoga clubs, they have this
Yes.
laughter therapy.
No,
They have
laughter
you
club,
want to die
please
more?
remember, laughter club is of no use.
yoga with yoga they
Humor
teach.
club is useful. You must enjoy humor and then smile.
Yes.
Just like
Exactly.
laughing, it is an exercise for muscles of the face. So humor and smiling, very important. Okay, I will ask you one
Yeah,
question.
we'll move on to Vaidyanathan Hemlata, ma'am.
Yes.
I think you wanted
Yeah.
to have
I'm
a
very
question.
happy.
We are trying to answer.
Felista,
Yes, sir.
how people are very much interested in asking questions. I am very thankful to you, Felista.
Thank
I
you,
am
sir.
ready
Thank you,
to
sir.
spend some more time with you all. No problem. As long you are free and useful.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Where is
Vaidyanathan, ma'am.
Vaidyanathan?
Yes, sir. I'm Hema Vaidyanathan from Vashi, Mumbai.
Yes.
And I just wanted to tell you that my husband got major bypass surgery done in 1988 with Dr. Bhattacharya in Bombay Hospital. He was the first patient for open heart surgery. He's now 74, very strict in his regime, very strict in his diet and all. And he has turned the whole family into fitness.
Very good.
So
Did he, Vaidyanathan, Did you attend this seminar, this class, this Zoom meeting?
He's just watching.
Oh, very good, very good.
He's
I would
sitting
like to
near
see
me.
him. By chance, can I see him?
He was appreciating you every time. When I told him to talk, he's not wanting to talk. So I said, okay, I
no
will
problem.
talk
No
on behalf.
problem.
Thank you so much, sir. What all you said, we will remember.
I really appreciate. Bhattacharya is a very good friend of mine. I
Yes.
used to come to all capitals of our country as an examiner. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, any cardiologist mention my name, they'll all know me because I happen to be the teacher like that. I really happy.
Yes, sir. Very pleasant. Yeah, very pleasant doctor. Yeah, very nice person.
I
Yeah.
really appreciate.
Very
it.
nice
Thank
person,
you very
yes.
much.
Thank
Sir,
you,
I want
sir.
to
Thank you so much.
sorry. My
Yes,
name,
Radha ma'am, please go ahead.
my name is Radha Madhavan.
Yes,
I'm.
please. Why your video is not coming, Radha?
Yeah, my video. I
No
don't
problem.
know.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pune now.
Very good, Radha.
Originally from Kerala, but
Please tell me.
now I had a angioplasty done 2.5 years back. After that, that self-confidence, I was very confident doing everything fast and all these things. After that, I started having these medicines. Like I'm having Benitoa 8 milligram in the night, and then I have EcoSpring Gold 1 in the night. Then I'm also diabetic and hypertension, so that also I'm taking medicine. So I'm very slow. I'm 73.
Now,
73.
okay,
And I want to consult you because I also get up in the night so many times for drinking water. My mouth will be very, very dry. So I'm
do one thing, Radha. You make a note of my number.
Yeah,
I'll give you online consultation. What should be done?
That will be given to our center, no? Your
Yes,
number?
they'll give you. That Felista will give you. And two, when you are contacting anyone online,
yes,
please send me all the details of your record, medical record, last prescription. I will talk to you. Then I can modulate your medicines.
Okay.
No, don't worry.
How much water I can have?
Yes, one small thing is after 8 p.m. Never take after that.
Water?
Once every time we start waking up, getting water, drinking like that, then every 2 hours you have to pass urine.
Yeah.
I will guide you everything, madam. Personally, I will go through your records and guide you, Radha. Don't worry.
But they say before sleeping, you
I
should
can
take
have?
little water.
Per day, if there is no cardiac failure, up to 3 liters of water you must take. In summer, even up to 4 liters.
Okay.
But after 8 p.m., no water, except 1 or 2 teaspoon water, just wet your tongue. Don't take your thirst after that. It becomes vicious cycle.
Yeah, it has become.
I will guide you. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you so much. That's
No thanks. I am really happy. I really happy.
It was very nice that I attended your class.
As follow whatever thing I told you, communicate everything. I want to ask you, all of you, one question also. Why nobody is asking about sex and family life? You feel is a very sacred, or you don't want to expose yourself?
I'm single, so I don't think so much about that.
No, not for you. Generally, many people, they feel shy of that. I will tell you one thing. One meeting, international cardiology meeting in Chicago, we presented one paper. It's about before the COVID. I don't remember, last year. It has been proven scientifically, above the age of 60, if you are going to have sex weekly 3 times, you live for 100 years. One person stood up. Doctor, is it only 3 times, doctor? I told him you can increase it. Then one person was asking me, is it only with my wife, doctor? You decide, don't bring in me into the picture. Because sex is a divine gift for every one of us. The expression of feelings, and you must be very careful in executing where and when and how often like that. Okay? And after the heart attack, first 6 weeks, I don't encourage any sex. After 6 weeks, they can be normal, and you're going to have sex, it will make that coronary vessels more stronger, heart muscles stronger. Okay?
Hello.
Very good. How many
Yes,
minutes
Rajapan
more
sir,
you want me
quickly,
to
sir,
stay?
quickly,
Another
sir.
15 minutes?
Rajapan sir, quickly, sir.
Yeah. Dr. Rajapan here.
Yes, Rajapan. Come on, tell me, sir.
Yeah. Anxiety is the only reason for the heart problem. Therefore, if you want to avoid anxiety, you know, every organ has got a energy channel in the hand. Now, see this point, especially this point, particular point, if you press, you can avoid anxiety. This is the heart energy line. If you press point, you will avoid anxiety and you can be healthy.
Very good tips.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very happy, Rajapan.
Thank you,
joined.
Rajapan sir. Sir, is there any other people to be answered? Kamlesh, okay. Okay, shall we wind up, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you for a
No,
refreshing
1 minute,
session.
1 minute, Felista, 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Any more questions? Okay, my number is given. You can get it from Felista. I'll be of any service. I'll be very happy to extend. And mainly, I want you all to be live healthy way. Communicate the message to everyone. Thanks for spending such a nice, wonderful time with me. And my best wishes to everyone.
Thank you
Thank you so much, sir.
Once again, Felista.
Sir, may I request you to please give the vote of
Thank
thanks?
you so much, sir.
Felista, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Raghupati.
Raghupati, I forgot to tell how I changed myself from that heart problem and all. It is after joining the Dignity Foundation, Anna Nagar, we are involving ourselves so deeply. Everything I have forgotten and come out of all the problems.
Very happy, Raghupati.
Absolutely right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
My dear friends,
Thank you so much.
take care.
Thank you. Of every point what he has talked. And I am sure from the feedback from the people who talked to him and while asking questions, their appreciation of his talk. And I am sure all members from all the regions of Dignity Foundation got the benefit of his experience. And then his PowerPoint presentation was so excellent, explanation by him by these with humor, that is taking the point closer to the heart. And I feel that everybody has enjoyed this session. And on behalf of Dignity Foundation and myself, I have to express my extreme thanks to our brother, Dr. Chokalingam. And this has been a wonderful session. And thank you very much, Doctor. Thank you very much.
I'm really honored, Kasi Viswanathan. You are from which place, Kasi Viswanathan?
I am
You
from
are from
Ananagar, Chennai.
Very good.
Ananagar.
Now, and what he was telling, whenever there's a serious point, I will add humor to that. So that it will go in depth in your mind, you will know and you will never forget lifelong. That is the way of my teaching. I really appreciate you got it. My best wishes to everyone. Once again, I'm very thankful to Madam, Felista and everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.